With today is let's start with kind of a circle, and I enlarged it as I worked there because I was trying to figure out how big I wanted it. From there we're going to create you know how this goes. Okay. So from there, we're going to create a teardrop, and then we're going to create another circle. So kind of right now, you could make this into a light bulb pretty easy. But instead, let's bring and pull this back. And then fan it out. Now from there, come right here and bring yourself a U shape. And we're going to create this as kind of a, I'm not going to call it a teardrop. There we go. Now that we've got the body, we can go ahead and add in our other leg. So you want to make sure your knees are about even apart. That's where I start. So now we have its foot. And the other thing you notice is what I did wrong here is that I put its foot too far down. So I need to bump its foot back up here so that it's not below the first foot. Your feet need to either be even, or the foot farther away from you needs to be a little higher up on the plane. Now start with a big round area here. Don't panic on me because this is not its nose, or this is not its head, it's its nose. And then we're going to create the little bump of its head. And give it its cheekbone. So now when you add in its open mouth, you can kind of see it's where its eyes would go. And its nose. And its little stick hands. So now you have Rex, T-Rex. Now, of course, I did not go all the way into detail here, but that gives you the basics of the guy.